Good morning for Friday, January 17th. And if you recall back to yesterday's video, I thought I was going to get stopped out with maybe a 25 cent profit yesterday on KMB, Kimberly-Clark. Remember that? Market opened up actually a little higher. I don't know what I was thinking, but it opened up yesterday at 105.18 and traded down to 104.53. If you recall back to yesterday, the stop was going to be placed at 10. Here, let me take a look at this real quick here. If you recall, I had my stop at 104.49, locking in about 45 cents or more. Okay, and look at where the market stopped. 104.53 and ran up to 106.07. My profit target on this was 105.97. 105.97. Let's flip it real quick to a 5-minute chart. Take a look at this. All right, this is the market opened up today. This is a 5-minute chart, by the way. Opened up right here, right there. Opened up on this bar. Let me get my red pen and show you exactly what it did. Opened up on this bar here. Traded down to 104, what did I say, 52? The stop was at 104.49. Didn't get stopped out, rallied up, and remember what our profit target was for the last few days. 105.97. Where did that reach it? It reached it on, oh man, look at this. Went up to 105.96, and then on the last 5 minutes of trading, it traded right through my limit of 105.97. Nice. That's a nice surprise. I thought it was going to be pretty much a scratch. I call any stock trade a scratch if you make 20 or 30 cents on it, okay? Let's go back to the daily chart here. Again, what was the reason behind this, you may ask? Hopefully you're not asking that by now, right? But look at this. This was in a nice uptrend. Pretty much consolidated for a while, but look at the trend is up. The bias is up, even though it rested for a while. It created a beautiful inside pattern right there at the gray action zone. And the technical entry on this trade was 20 cents above the high of 103.89 to 104.09. I believe I got it a little less than that. But that was a good trade, almost a 2-point trade. All right, so that's nice. Pretty much flat. I'm not even going to bother trailing it. Look at if this Kimberly-Clark is able to break through on a closing basis and close up through, today it closed at what, 106.05. So it did close above those highs. But I'm out. Pretty much flat. Crude oil's coming up from these lows. I still believe we have room to move up to like 95.5 or more. Heck, if the market were to come back down and try to back and fill and try to retest these lows, I would look for a pattern to go long for sure. Gold, again, gold is right up in here, right up at resistance. We resisted right up at the 50 exponential moving average. We're kind of coming down, coming up a little bit again. Don't have anything really interesting to say right now other than look at the overall market. This is the E-mini S&P 500. We've tested this. We've come within a point. And, today, yesterday, Thursday, did make a lower high and a lower low marginally. Right? So this is Friday. It's a very, very small range day. We'll see if it blows up through these highs or if the market tries to come back down. All right. Hope that helps. Have a phenomenal weekend, and I will be back with you on Monday. Bye for now.